The last I saw of this album, it was a little bit disorganised. Inside here could be a horror show. I'm just warning you guys. Right, welcome back to another Coins to Collect video, and today something a little bit different because this is my Change Checker album, and in here we have everything nice and neat, laid out how I think it all should be laid out. Very nice, nice and civilised, blah 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 blah, £2 coins, fantastic, lovely and neat. Great, this is my album. Inside this bag is an album that belongs to my friend Ross from work, and I've sort of got him into coin collecting a little bit. I got him a Change Checker album, but the last I saw of this album, it was a little bit disorganised, and I've been on at him for ages to let me sort it out for him, reorganise it. Like I say, when I saw it last, it was very disorganised. Inside here could be a horror show. I'm just warning you guys. Anyway, we've got some other coins here that he's also collected, and he wasn't quite sure if he's got all of these in the album. So the plan is to reorganise it. I think there's 50p's on the same page as £2 coins, so nightmare. Reorganise this, add some more of his collection to the album, and if I've got anything spare that he's missing, I will put them into the album as a bit of a treat for him. Before we start, actually, am I right? Okay. So I just got a phone call from work, say come in a little bit later, and I've been faffing about for the last half an hour. So now I've got half an hour left to start this little project. So we're going to put half an hour on the clock, and when that timer goes off, that's it. That's all I've got for today. So let's put that over there. Actually, let's open this up and see what is inside here. So let's open this up. Okay, that's a bit neater than I thought. I thought there was stuff all over the place, so that's good. That's a good start. Maybe I haven't got as big a job as I thought I'd have. So Mrs. Tittlemouse. See, look, this is where it goes all a bit astray. He's got Flopsy Bunny. Yeah, he's got 2016 Peter Rabbit, 2018 Peter Rabbit, Flopsy Bunny, and then the Tale of Gloucester. So yeah, it is a little bit disorganised. Now look, this is what I was talking about. We have 50p's, £1 coin, £2 coins, all on the same page. So we're going to sort that out. More £2 coins. I know I've got some Shakespeare's, so we can sort that out for him. And Magna Carta. Yeah, you got Magna Carta before Brunel. We can't have that. Now what's that he's got? Oh my god, I didn't know he had a Isle of Man Ram 50p. Look at this. How did he get that? Nice one. And there's another one there. There's 2 coins that I don't know. That's another Isle of Man £1 coin. Well, there you go, Ross. There's 2 coins I didn't have in my collection. Blinding. He's got a few A to Z's as well, and a couple of 50p's on this page as well. So we'll sort that out. We'll change it. Right. Okay. So let's. Oh, where do we start? I guess we start. I'll tell you what. Let's start. Go to the back, and we'll pull this 10p page. Zoom back out. We'll put this 10p page at the front where it should be, and we'll work our way back. So let's take out these 2 50p's. Now I'm using my tweezers because if it was my own album, I really sort of dig my nail into the plastic and push them out, and it's made a right mess of my pages. So I don't know why I've been doing that, but this isn't mine, so I'm going to try and be a little bit more careful and use the tweezers. Paddington at the station, and we've got a Sherlock there, so we'll pull those out. Now, So he's got D. So this should all be in order, shouldn't it? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, blah, 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 and Z. Finishing on a Z. Cool. Right, so first part complete. That's all the 10p sorted out. Nice one. That was easy. Right, so we're going to have to refer to my album, I think, the order of the 50p's, because even though I go through all the 50p's all the time, I still can't quite remember the exact order. It'll be easier if I refer to the font of all knowledge, which is Change Checker. I think what I'll do is I'll leave space for the old 50p's. We'll start with Britannia, and then it's Britain's entry into the EEC, then NHS, then libraries, suffragettes. I don't know if I've got a spare suffragettes anymore. I think I got rid of it. I think I swapped it with a Gibraltar airport security guard. Right, okay, so there, look, there's my reference guide. So Britannia goes first. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull all these cards out and reinsert them and shuffle them about a bit, get them all correct. So, cue the time lapse. I've just noticed he's got aquatics next to Ironside. What? Why? Why would you do that? What? Oh my god. Okay, so the first page, I've pulled out all the cards and all the coins, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the top 5 spaces for the old style pre-97 50p's. So then the first one then after that is Britannia. Britannia, I've seen you. And there we go, Britannia. So that's number 6. And I know he's got Britannia. He's got a 2005 Britannia. So why don't I keep hold of that Britannia, and what we'll do is I've got a 2008 Britannia. We'll swap that over. And then Britain's entry into the EEC, which I know we've got, or I know I've got. So that's number 7. After that is NHS. So rather than me talking my way through all these cards, I'm just going to speed this bit up again until I've got to the bottom of the page. Okay, so I've reorganised the cards of the first page, starting with Britannia, going all the way down past Kew Gardens, and we've got room for aquatics. So it's World Wildlife Fund is the first coin I've just picked up. So let's get that back into the album. We'll try and get it up the right way, even though they're pretty bad for rotating these pockets. We got a 2019 shield, but I know I've got a 2017, so I'm also going to put that on the pile of coins that we're going to swap. Victoria Cross medals, get that in. There we go. Girl Guides. Next WWF. Aquatics down the bottom. Libraries. Halfway up on the left hand side. Mr. Roger Bannister, always running away from something, isn't he? There we go. Now that is a very nice, he's got a lovely, cracking NHS there. It's a great condition one. I wonder where he found that. That is really nice. No gunge or muck or anything on that. That's been looked after, that one. Cool. Ironside for later on, badminton for later on. We've got dictionaries, and we got Scouts, one of my favourites. There we go. So that is already looking much nicer, a bit more presentable, and they're in order, which, whew, yeah, suits me fine. They're in order. Right, so we're going to put that in the album, and we'll crack on with the next page, which is all going to be mostly Olympics, isn't it? So, I wonder if we've got a spare page. I can just start afresh. I wonder if I've got a spare page. I can just start with a... Oh, this is his. I wonder if this is in order. Probably not. Well, goalball, football, and then equestrian. So, no, it's not in order, is it? Right, let's pull all the cards out of this one. Again, cue the time lapse. Right, there we go. Clean page. So a clean slate, as it were. We can now start putting the Olympic coins back into this page. Fantastic. So the first one is archery, isn't it? To go to the top there. Have I got archery? Did I spot archery? So wrestling, volleyball, weightlifting, badminton is the third one in. So let's just start there. Badminton, top row. Next to it is basketball, if we find that. Yes, we have basketball. Canoeing goes next to cycling. There we go. I didn't see archery, so it must be somewhere else. Right, so that's all the cards that are available on that page. So I'm missing archery, athletics, boccia. Boccia is a coin that a lot of people say wrong. So if you imagine, if you say gotcha, I gotcha, gotcha, boccia. Boccia and boxing. So boccia and boxing, and those two are missing. So what they must be on this other page. So yeah, athletics. Oh look. And oh look, the top row of this page is all the cards I need. Get rid of this page for a second. Bring this page back. So archery was the first one, isn't it? Top left. And he's got archery. Nice one. Athletics next to that. Boccia. Gotcha, and then boxing. There we go. We got badminton, decent badminton to go into this top page. Oh, there's my alarm. There we go. Time is up. Never mind. Right, okay, so that's another page tidied up. So we got 2 pages. Well, we got 3 pages once I sorted out those 10p's. So, okay, so we're probably halfway through the album. Another 4 pages there to go. So we're just under halfway through the album. But, as you can see, there's a lot of work still to be done. So that'll be in the next video. We'll see how far we can get in that. But yeah, a little bit different video for you. Hope you enjoyed. Please remember to go and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Hit that notification bell so you'll never miss another episode. Oh, hit that like button as well, please. But until the next video, please keep looking out for those coins to collect.